How to set up subscription on TikTok. If you want to earn monthly income from your followers, this feature is actually perfect for you. Let's get started. Now, the subscription feature on TikTok allows your followers to pay you a monthly fee in order for them to be able to get exclusive content from you, and even subscribers only live chats, or even special badges or custom emojis. So in order for you to actually turn on this feature on your TikTok account, which is actually very simple, you need to make sure that you are eligible to turn on the feature. So what makes you eligible is you being able to be of the age of 18 years, and you need to have at least 1,000 followers, and you need to have a good account. That is to say that your account needs to be in a good standing, no violation. So with that being said, you are good to go. So now let's simply dive right into the video. So before we dive right into the video, like this video, subscribe, and hit notification bell like this. Let's dive right in. So the first step you need to take here, right here on your TikTok app like this, is to go ahead and switch from a private account to a creator account. So if your account is on private account, you need to switch it to a creator account. You can do that by clicking on the three line icon right here on your profile. Click on the three line icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Now looking here, you can see where it says account. If yours is on private, switch it back to creator account. So once that is done, looking here, you can see switch personal account. So if yours is on personal account, switch it to creator account. Mine is already on creator account, so you need to switch yours to a creator account in order for you to be able to see and turn on this feature on yours. So the next step you need to take right here, this is my profile. Click on the three line icon at the top right corner of your screen once more, then go ahead and click on TikTok Studio. Once you do that, looking here is my TikTok Studio. So this is where you are going to be able to see monetization. You can see the options which you can actually earn on TikTok right here. So this is actually an African account, so you are not going to be able to earn with so many features like that. So these are the features that are allowed for me here in order for me to be able to earn. Looking here, you can see the subscription option right here. If you are not seeing the subscription option right here, it actually means that you have not reached the requirement you need to meet in order for you to be able to get the feature, which I mentioned earlier on this video. So looking here on the screen, you can see subscription. So you need to go ahead and click on view details like this. So looking here on the screen, this is my subscription right here. So in order for you to actually set up your subscription, looking here, you can see subscription plan, you can see standard, you can see add plan. So you can actually set your own plan, or you can click on standard right here and edit the plan, which is already showing right here. You can see the plan here, and you can see the amount that followers are asked to pay. So you can go ahead and click on it like this and check this place here where you can see edit specs. You can see that right here. If you click on edit specs, you can go ahead and click on standard. So once you do that, looking here, you can see customizable pack. So you can actually turn on and off of this, any of this, if you want your followers to be able to be paying you a subscription fee for them to be able to request for video, then you need to toggle this on like this. If you want them to be paying you in order for them to be able to see some visible notes, then you need to turn on this first option right here. If you want them to be paying you in order for them to send a direct message to you, you can go ahead and turn on this as well. So any of this can actually work. Any one you want to actually change, you can customize it to your own best preference. So right here at the bottom of the screen, you can see save. You can go ahead and click on save like this after editing the pack. So once that is done, you have been able to set up your subscription plan. So in order for you to actually get more traffic on your subscription plan, this is what you can actually do. You can use any of these three options right here. The first one here, looking at, you can see get traffic. You can actually go ahead and click on try, and you are going to be able to grow your community further by allowing everyone to preview your content. Or you can actually use this option here where you can see add a link to your next video. Looking here, you can see add a link to your next video. If you click on that like this and click on create. So let's say you want to upload a video on TikTok So let me just simply go ahead and select a video for my TikTok account. So after selecting the video, click on next like this. Click on next. So right here, you can see the option of add link. You can see that subscription has already been added right here. So that is what that actually means. This is another way you can actually drive traffic to your subscription. So going back right here like this other one here which says share your subscription page, you can actually click on share like this and share it to people on their DMs, and they are going to be able to see your subscription link, and they can also click on it and pay for your subscription on your page. So this is how simple it is to set up subscription on your TikTok page. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.